So today we are discussing plastid. Plastid from eukaryotic cell. These plastids are organelles which are found in plants. Okay, but in some protista also they are seen, such as Euglena, Dinophysia, diatom. So they also contain plastid. So we can say that they are generally found in plant, but some exceptions are also there. So this plastid was first introduced or seen by Ernest Haeckel in 1866. Okay, what are they? They are a semi-autonomous organelle. I am saying semi-autonomous organelle. Why? Because they will contain their own DNA like mitochondria. So they are having DNA also. Their DNA will be in circular form, double-stranded DNA, and just like mitochondria, they will produce their own protein with help of DNA RNA, their own DNA RNA. Now this organelle is covered by double membrane, okay, double membrane envelope, which is around 60 to 100 Armstrong thick, okay, and they are capable of producing and storing different organic product. From here, this organic product we refer to starch. Okay, so they are capable of producing chloroplast. It is involved in photosynthesis. Okay, synthetic process will occur in chloroplast, okay, as it contains chlorophyll, so it is going to produce carbohydrate. So they are capable of producing and storing various organic product. Now these plastids are originated from proplastid. Proplastid is a precursor for plastid. Now proplastid can divide and differentiate into leucoplast and chloroplast. Okay, it can differentiate into leucoplast and chloroplast. Further, this chromoplast is derived from either from chloroplast or from leucoplast. So there are three types of plastid on basis of colors. What color? First of all, leucoplast, which is colorless. Why it is colorless? Because it do not contain any kind of pigment. It is not having any photosynthetic pigment, neither it is having any carotenoid or something like that. So it is colorless. Leucoplast are colorless, and your chloroplast is greenish in color. Why it is greenish in color? Because it contains chlorophyll. Okay, it contains carotenoid, photosynthetic pigment, it contains all these pigments, so it is greenish in color. It contains chlorophyll in higher amount. Next is your chromoplast, which is very rich in carotenoid. They are derived either from leucoplast or they are derived either from chloroplast. Okay, so this chromoplast is orange red in color. Why? They are having carotenoid and lipid. They are rich in carotenoids and lipid. That's why carotenoids provide this orange red color. Okay, so now this leucoplast is actually a structure with lamella present inside, and they are generally for storage purpose. Okay, leucoplast is there to store as something like starch, fat or protein. On the basis of their storage, leucoplast is further divided. They are divided into amyloplast, elioplast, aleuroplast. Amyloplast will contain starch. Okay, it will store starch. Starch storage will occur in amyloplast, whereas fat storage will occur in elioplast, or it is also known as lipidoplast, because fat, lipid, same thing, and oleoplast. The same names are similar, synonym for each other. And aleuroplast, proteinoplast, proteoplast, these contain protein. Next is your chromoplast. Chromoplast is there generally found. If they are derived from leucoplast, all the lamella will degenerate with the time. Okay, and they will convert into chromoplast. If they are formed from chloroplast, then the photosynthetic pigment or the other things will degenerate and they will be rich only in carotenoid. Okay, so with the time they will change their color. Previously they were green in color. For chloroplast is green in color, so they will change into orange red due to this carotenoid pigment. Okay, that's why we can see all the tomatoes getting ripened. When it will get ripened, that all the chloroplast, it was green in color previously, but when it gets ripened, it becomes red in color due to carotenoid present in that. Next is your chloroplast. We will study this chloroplast in detail as it is important. So we are going to study this detail. For now, you can understand it is also a kind of organelle plastid which is green in color, and it contains chlorophyll and carotenoid. So this was about plastid today. It was a short introduction of plastid. Now the next video will be on chloroplast. Thank you.